To create a new offer, on the offers page in the toolbar, we need an icon or a button that actually lets us go to that new page. And actually, it's quite trivial. We can add another ion buttons group because any button you add to your toolbar should always be in such an ion buttons group. And here the slot will be primary. And you can, of course, find out which slots exist in the official docs. Primary typically is at the end of the toolbar. In there, I'll now add my ion button. And in that ion button, I'll add my ion icon with a name of add. And that will render a nice plus. I'll give that icon a slot of icon only, so that inside of this button, it's positioned perfectly to be the only icon in there. Now on the button, we want to go to our new page. And if we have a quick look at the places routing again, that would be under places, tabs, offers, /new, this page here. So back in the offers page, we of course can simply add a router link, now with a hard-coded value of places, tabs, offers, new. And that should already be all. If this page now reloads, we can press the plus button. And here we are on the new offer page. Now on that new offer page, I'll adjust the title, new offer, and to also have a back button, we can add ion buttons, slot start, and then the ion back button with a default ref of places, tabs, offers. And now as this page reloads, we should see the new title, we see the back button, and we can go back and forth here now. So this is now working as it should. How can we go to that edit page then? Well, right now we have no direct way. Later I'll add a way for us to slide these items so that we can then expose an edit button. For now, where we haven't learned how to slide these items yet, let's simply make sure that we can go to the edit place from the offer detail page here. So on the offer bookings page is how we called it. There we can add another button with some margin and maybe a color of primary. Of course, you can also use other colors like secondary, tertiary, danger, warning, whatever you want. Color primary for me it is. I'll say edit here. And I will simply add a router link. And that will now be a bit tricky because that router link needs to be bound dynamically because I need that ID of the place I want to add it, right? In places routing, I do pass that ID here as a dynamic segment. And on the offered bookings page, we of course have that ID. But currently I'm not extracting it, so let's extract it now so that we can then forward it to the edit offer page.